Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making the most amazing pretzel buns. This dough is made with yeast, but the prep time is quite short. From start to finish, you'll probably be about an hour. So let's get started. You'll preheat the oven to 425 degrees. You'll need some boiled water, and you'll need some quick rising yeast. You'll need a little bit of white sugar, and some all-purpose white flour, one egg, and kosher salt. Now then, you'll put the paddle attachment onto the mixer. So now for the recipe amounts. To get started, add 3/4 cup lukewarm water to the bowl, and then add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar plus 1.5 teaspoons of quick-acting yeast. And you let that stand for about 5 minutes. Then you'll add 1.5 cups of flour to the yeast mixture. You'll mix the dough till it forms together like this, and then you place the dough on a lightly floured surface and knead the dough. Then cut the dough into small chunks like this so that you can make the individual buns. Roll the pieces into strings. Make pretzels out of them, just like I'm showing you here. Once again, I use parchment paper. Next, you'll take an egg and beat it up well. Then you'll use this egg for an egg wash. You'll brush it on the top of each pretzel, and then you'll sprinkle it with kosher salt. Now place that in your preheated oven for about 10 minutes, or until they turn golden brown like this. It really is as simple as this. As you can see, this recipe is made up of simple ingredients. It only takes a few minutes of your time, but once you've tasted these, you will be quite impressed, and it will be a recipe worth keeping. Now you can just melt some butter over the top of each one. You can add cheese whiz if you like, whatever works for you. This dough is also great for making mini pizzas. So until next time, thanks for watching.